Oh, whoa. There's hardcore music playing in that bus. We were swimming and it started to rain so hard. We don't really know if we can take our bikes in, we're just taking it in. Good morning there guys, this is day 2. Right now I'm standing in my balcony and the time is around 8:30. So the plan is to go eat breakfast right now, and after breakfast we'll head out to the places we have planned. The proper itinerary and all I'll be sharing when we're eating breakfast. Last night, man, it was awesome. Like, we came after the ride, we were so tired that we just slept. We laid on a bed and we just passed out after eating our dinner. So I don't know, go to vlog much. And one more important thing, check out the views over here, guys. It's amazing. And mind it, it's 8:30 in the morning and still you can see this much amount of fog. Crazy, guys. So right now we're going to some viewpoint over here present in this hotel. Oh god, it's kind of sunny right now, but it's not hot. Oh, that place exactly, I'll show you. I don't think if the camera can capture this. It gives like a 360-degree view all around, like we're properly covered by hills everywhere. We finally decided 3 places, out of which we may be just going to 2 places. So the 3 places may be...
It will be, we're planning on Echo Point and then Kundala Dam Lake and the top station, which is the highest accessible viewpoint in Munnar. But we are confused because it might take a little longer than we are thinking.
Yeah.
So we might do Echo Point and only top station Munnar, and we might skip on Kundala Dam Lake. But if we think it's worth stopping in Kundala Dam, then we will stop there.
Yeah.
But because it's on the same
anyway, it's on the
not
same
like
route.
We have to take a different route.
So we'll be passing by the Kundala Lake.
Yeah, we'll see if it's worth. Then we'll
so
stop.
if it's worth, we'll stop and we'll go give it a try.
Yeah.
So right now we're going to just 2 places, that is the Echo Point and the top station.
Yeah, and if it's only these two, it's just gonna take us 70 kilometers.
Yeah,
but if we add the Kundala Lake, it might take a little more.
Yeah, there might be a little bit small diversion, that's it.
To enter the dam.
Yeah, so let's roll from here, guys. I've just carried a tank bag which has like around 3 bottles of 1 liter and few of my electronics. Nothing much. And Rishabh and Manoj are just coming with their bikes. So one quick tip I would like to give it to you guys. So when you start the bike, don't lean your bike too much at the initial state, because your tires will be cold, so there would not be any sufficient grip. So hit the road, roll for some time, let your tires get warmed up, then start the leaning in the corners. Such a beautiful place, man. I mean, just look at this, so stunning. So the police had just stopped us for just checking our documents. So all that is done, nothing, no harm created by anyone because we have all the documents ready and we were under the speed limit, so Nothing to worry. Yeah, let's go. Let's continue. There's like some market over here. Free parking for only 4 hours. Wow, nice. So this was the dam what we were talking about in the video. Actually, this is just the bridge right now over here. The main part is somewhere over that side, it seems. So I think we'll just click a couple of photos and we'll move forward. Should we go straight? Let's go and check. Yeah, anyway, if we don't get, we'll come back. No, if you don't get, we'll come back and we'll see. Come. So we were in a confusion right now that according to the Google, this echo point, we need to enter through this boating thing, but over there we don't see any such place like echo point. And according to a localite, he's like, go straight, you'll go straight for 4 kilometers, you'll get this place. But then here you don't get network available, so in the maps also it's showing rerouting and recentering, and it's not refreshing because of no network. So let's see, we'll just go ahead like for 4 kilometers. If we don't get, we'll come back, or we'll decide what to do over there. Yeah, and now there's some patch in the road. It says straight and left, echo point. Oh god, it's gonna be super rush, I guess. Can we take our bikes in? We cannot take our bikes in, no. Where are you gonna park?
Nobody's going to do anything. You can tell someone to look after
So basically that echo point was just a lake and a backdrop having trees. It was barren land, guys. There was nothing green also. See, as you can see over here. Yeah, let's just go forward. Whoa. There's hardcore music playing in that bus. It's taking us to some gully, I guess. I can see people walking though, but I don't know if it'll take us over there or yet. Oh, why do they park like this? So I've come to this place called as the top station. They say this has a good view, but seriously it doesn't have a good view at all. And it looks more flat than top.
Apparently this is supposed to be the highest viewpoint in Munnar.
Yeah, but
it doesn't at all look high. It's just like any other card section.
yeah,
You can just check out the view.
like that's the tower over there. You can see the thing over there. So you need to pay 20 rupees for just climbing that tower and getting a good view. But I don't think it's really worth it. Worth the 20 rupees.
But the ride
Yeah.
is really good.
The ride quality is really good.
It's just that the destination is just overhyped. There's nothing much here.
I mean, the ride till here or
The
like
ghats,
yeah,
roads, everything is.
the ride around Munnar and in Munnar is perfect. It's like next level. But I don't think it's really worth the hype.
Exactly.
Just if you want to experience the riding pleasure, come to Munnar and good scenic view.
While riding,
Yeah, while riding, that's it.
there's no particular destination, but while riding,
Yeah.
it has good views.
Lot to ride, but nothing to explore, is what we can say. So this is us leaving disappointed from this place. So we'll try going to the dam once. We'll see if we have the mood and interest, we'll go, or else no, we'll just head back to our stay. One thing I need to agree, that how much of a disappointment we get out of a place, when we hit roads like this, the view compensates for the losses. So we have come to this Kundala dam. Since the two places what we decided was not up to our expectations, we thought we'll at least come to this place. It'll be like a checklist. Kundala dam, restricted area. Photography and helicam prohibited at dam premises. We don't really know if we can take our bikes in, we're just taking it in. I think it won't be a problem, but on that note, I don't see any other vehicle over here. So this is the dam. The dam is pretty nice. Like out of all the places we have visited here today, this is one of the best places, you can say. Yeah, like there's no stopping over here because it says there's no parking right over there, and there are cameras over there, so we cannot stop a bike for more time and click pictures. So we'll keep going. But pretty nice dam. Yeah, I would recommend this place because this is the only place where we felt it was nice and it was worth it. Now the plan is to just head back to the room and chill for some time over there. Since the view is gonna be the same while heading back, I think I'll just see you guys in the room directly. A quick ride update. We've stopped here for a small break and it's starting to fog up and it's getting cold. It feels nice. So the scene was, we were all swimming together and it started raining cats and dogs out of nowhere, and we all are shivering right now. Look at the way it's raining, dude. Rashad, how was your experience?
5 minutes in the pool and rain.
Even better was these people were swimming first and I go. As soon as I get in the pool, it starts to rain. Yeah. And the best part is we have only one bathroom and I don't know how three of us are gonna fit inside this bathroom. Just look at that. There's no visibility at all. It's all fogged up. Crazy, man. We'll all change, then I'll get back to you.
The sun is shining and the clouds are bright. It's a new journey. I just wanna be out. The birds are singing a song for spring. The colors are green, red, blue, purple and pink. Which color of the spring do you wanna be? Just choose your colors. It's up to your flavors. Which color of the spring are you gonna be? Just choose your colors. It's up to your flavors.
So this is the last night we're gonna stay over here in Munnar. It's been a good experience, but I don't know if we were satisfied with the places we visited. So tomorrow we'll be going to Wayanad. How many kilometers is Wayanad?
It will be around 390 because we'll be going through Thrissur and all that, not directly.
Okay.
So 390.
So yeah, tomorrow we'll be heading to Wayanad. I guess we'll leave a bit early in the morning. We'll try leaving a bit early in the morning. And yeah, so if you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe if you like the video, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.
The sun is shining and the clouds are bright. It's a new journey. I just wanna be out.